No.
What's up, everybody?
Yeah.
Yo, we are here. This is day 2. We had prep yesterday. So, my man Chris, how's it?
Aloha.
Aloha. This is the Hawaiian I was telling you guys about. He said aloha yesterday. Boom, now he's Hawaiian.
And Will taught me the hand signal.
What is that? That's the shaka.
He's a gangster.
Gangsta. Yep, this is... Where did he go? Oh, there he is.
Hey.
There's RJ, Pastor RJ, and Pastor Obi.
More,
Yeah.
this way, this
Where?
way.
Where
This
we
way. You're still looking at me.
Oh, what?
There he is, there he is.
Hey.
That way.
Where?
Hey,
No, you take it. Go ahead.
Oh, there we go. Hey.
What's up? How's it, guys?
And thank you. He's awesome. Those guys are awesome. This is brother Jared. He's intern. Yeah, he's interning here at the what is this, Blue Planet Sound. You got the drummer, AJ. Stay in the pocket, son. Right. And I'm gonna say what's up to this guy. This is my man right here. Canyon.
What's up, man?
He's the man. Look. He's the man. Look at him. Ladies, let me tell you something about this guy. He's single. He's available. Look at him.
Debatable, man. That's
Look at him. How could you not love this guy? If I was a girl, let's move on, okay? Let's look who's in here. So we got Mr. Isness.
Yes, sir.
And
Hi.
Yes, sir.
wow.
You got.
Don't do that again, Will. Please. You're gonna scare my viewers off. Okay. So yeah, we're here.
Get her
This
done.
is day 2. And probably got one more day. So
Get her done.
we will see you again soon. We knocked out almost all the tracks. We got two more left. So yeah, keep you guys updated with that. Peace. Shoots. Get it. Aloha.